Hey guys, welcome to Cooking the Weeds. Today we're making super crispy air fried chicken wings. So let's just get to it. Okay guys, here we go. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make some sauce. And what I already went ahead and did was I melted a stick of butter, low heat. Now to that we're going to add some hot sauce. This is actually a wing sauce. I'm just kind of eyeballing it here. Some black pepper. A little bit of cumin, crushed red pepper flakes, a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, drop of honey. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to mix this up, let it simmer, hang out on the back burner low and slow. And we're actually going to put one more ingredient in here right at the end. Okay guys, so here we go. We've got our chicken wings ready to go. And these are pretty good size. So what I did was I patted them dry with a paper towel and just let them hang out in the refrigerator for about an hour. So we're going to season this with some kosher salt and some black pepper. Season, season, season. I'm like the king of seasoning. Okay guys, so the chicken's been seasoned off to the side. Now we're going to start with our coating. What I have here is about 3 tablespoons of aluminum-free baking powder. Okay, I can't emphasize that enough. The baking powder has to be aluminum-free, which you can buy at any grocery store sells it. It says it right on the container. Because if you don't have the aluminum-free, it tastes like you're eating tinfoil. So to this, we're going to add some paprika, some garlic salt, and then we're just going to mix that right in there. The crisp that the baking powder gives is just remarkable. Okay, so take chicken and then just work that right in there. Okay, you don't need a lot. And shake it off about that much. Okay, all right. So we're gonna get our chicken prepped up here, ready for the air fryer. Okay guys, here we go. The chicken is ready to go. It's been lightly coated in our seasoned baking powder and ready to go into the air fryer. Now, this air fryer is worth every dime. Okay, I looked it up on Amazon. They're about $100. And the good thing about this air fryer is that I don't have to flip these over. 15 minutes and they will be done. Now, if you have a air fryer that has the front load or the front drawer basket, you most likely have to flip them halfway through cooking. So anyways, 15 minutes or until they're 165. Wait till you see how these wings come out. Okay guys, so back to the sauce. Now the wings were done. They were in the air fryer for 15 minutes at 350. And I just have them off to the side, just kind of relaxing. Now back to the sauce. Hanging out in the back burner, and now I'm going to add the last ingredient, which just really amplifies this. Some crumbled blue cheese. And we're just going to stir this right in here. Now the burner's off, but the sauce is hot enough to melt most of the cheese. And this just actually gives such amazing flavor to the wing sauce. Okay guys, here we go. We are plated up. Sauce, wings, I mean super, super crispy. And the smell. So for presentation, we can do a little... You can throw a little sauce, just a little sauce, not too much. I'm a big fan of dipping the wings in the sauce. And then we can hit it with some diced celery leaves. And then last but not least, some diced radishes. So, you know what I think I'm going to do? I think I'm going to get into this for the first time in a long time. Okay guys, here we go. Like I said, I haven't done this in a while, but these just smell so good. Okay, look at that. Oh man. Air fryer, dip them in the sauce. Let's just get right into that. Okay, guys, so the taste test was successful. The sauce is just outstanding. You get the heat, and then you get the sweetness from the honey, the wings, the crisp, the crunch. Nothing beats air-fried wings. I really hope you guys get to try this recipe. Outstanding, hands down. Drop me a comment. Let me know what you think. Till next time, cooking the wheats.